Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. In this video, we are going to see how to use lower feature of sheet metal design in NX Unigraphics. So let's get started. The objective of this feature is to create a ventilation slot in sheet metal part. It is located in Home tab in Punch Group. To use this feature, first we have to select a section in Cutline pane. Next pane contains option to control the size and shape of the lower. Here depth defines the distance from the placement face to the edge of the lower, and width defines the width of the lower from the cut line. Lower shape defines the shape of the lower, either lensed or form. Rounding pane contains the round lower edges option, and it will apply a band at the junction with the base face. We can set the die radius for that junctions. And in next pane, minimum tool clearance used as a validation parameter. Now we will see how to use this feature. So click on lower and click on sketch section. Select this face. Click on OK. Draw one line like this. Go to geometric constraint. Select here vertical alignment and select this midpoint and this midpoint. Now go to rapid dimension. Give the dimension 80 and give this dimension from this edge 50. Now close this and finish the sketch. So it will create a lower like this. We can change the direction of depth and width. We will select this direction, and in lower shape we select form. So it will create a lower like this. Now in depth enter 10, in width enter 15, and in more section tick mark the round lower edges and enter the die radius 5 mm and click on apply. So it will generate a lower shape like this. Now we will use pattern feature. Select this lower feature. In specify vector, select x-axis and reverse the direction. In count, enter 8. In pitch distance, enter 30 and click on OK. So it will create a multiple copies of lower in this direction. This is how we can use lower feature in sheet metal designing. In next video, we will see another feature from the Punch Group. Till then, check out the other videos and subscribe this channel C4CAD. Thank you.